Nak jingmi ke jingaki ke bajur hari Nepal ke bala penlong daki Samla kategori ke bala tip kom ke Gen Z protest. Namar ki kambam sap ke Sorkar nolor ke jingpen i ya ke spak ke paujung ki bodan hakabor ke penlong yau Dr. Mukul sangma unong elam ke liang persya hayeng dorbar thawan ke jela ban ong bagi bodan hakabor ki di banlong ki Husiar. Habakran cekilat pathai kubor haga khat artare unai lur arhaja arpusan u Dr. Mukul sangma ulapen pau balada ke Sorkar kamla ban penbet ya ke jingud jingnam ki Samla kelak ban wanra ya ke jingma ke bakrau. Nalor kata ulashim nuksa na ki jingjia ki belajia hari Nepal bat kum juru hari Bangladesh bagi di ban longkum ki nuksa na ke bentakan ke Sorkar namar bakanami ke nu ke jing huri hura.
You have to always look at what are the, as I have said, it is a repetition. The factors leading to this kind of situation where the majority of the population, particularly the youth, when they see no hope, when they see no, appropriate steps or measures being taken by the people in authority or the government, in other words, to address their concerns of unemployment, concerns of discrimination, concerns pertaining to the sense of deprivation. All these things are capable of creating a situation, thereby somehow defiling the mind of people in as far as being able to contribute for the overall peaceful and vibrant democracy. Now, democracy is considered as one of the best form of governance, but at the same time, it depends on people who are in authority and who are vested with the responsibility of governance. When they are found to be failing, and when people have reason to believe that they are either failing deliberately with predetermined malafide intention, resulting in the sense of discrimination and also perversion of justice, it has become easier for people to come together and share their frustration and anger. And when this happens, then they can easily come together. That is what you are seeing in our neighboring country. It is because today the whole socio-economic dynamics have changed because of the whole your information dissemination through social media platforms. Therefore, we have to be always alert. We have to be always conscious of our responsibilities. And a stitch in time saves nine. That attitude in the matter of governance is also always relevant.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya